What is your take on multisig for Bitcoin Maxis? Either where you hold all the keys or using a third party like Unchained with Caravan, you could still use your Ledger wallet as a key. So good question. So multisig, for those who may not remember, multisig is definitely recommended if you hold a lot of Bitcoin. It's a security feature that's available in most wallets where it requires multiple signatures to authorize a transaction. For example, you can configure the multisig to require 2 of 3 signatures with distinct private keys before a transaction can be executed. And this means that if one of the 3 private keys is lost, you can still use the other 2 private keys to move the crypto. So consider it like a little safety airbag for your crypto security. And remember, you can imagine that there could be many ways to use this secure key to use your crypto. So for example, if you create a 2/3 multisig and keep one for yourself, give one key to your loved one and seal one in your will. Hence, if ever, heaven forbid, you are incapacitated, your loved one could still access that crypto with their key and the key with your will. So yes, definitely recommend to use multisig. The question now is multisig with Custodian. While you can simply give one key to a loved one and seal the other, a better option is to incorporate, again, if you have a lot of Bitcoin, a multisig custodian into your system. And this is a third-party service provider that can help you create the multisig and or hold one of your keys for you as a service. Unchained Capital, I think, is a great option here. Unchained will custody one of your multisig keys while you hold the other 2. And since it takes 2 to unlock your Bitcoin, Unchained will never be able to move your coins. And then you could give one of your 2 remaining keys to a loved one or seal it in a will, etc. And this way, again, if you become incapacitated, they just need to be able to reach out to Unchained. Now let's look at Caravan real quick. Unchained Caravan is a great tool for creating that multisig address. Caravan is a stateless, open source, and flexible multisig coordinator, and it does integrate with your hardware wallets. And the way it works is, as a coordinator, the software can be used to deconstruct a wallet and turn your device into multisig wallets. The Caravan is stateless. It does not itself store any data outside your current browser session, and is a great way to quickly and securely build your multisig strategy. We'll drop a link for the documentation on this as well, so you can read through it yourselves. But this means basically the good thing is your keys are never stored in the cloud. They're always under your control. It's transparent because Caravan is open source, and it's standards based as well, following all the industry standards for multisig addresses. So with that, that's a good option for sure.